DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. Selfie stick before. Let's open here. So there's a silica gel, do not eat. Says here do not eat. So I show you. Okay, wow, I'm so excited. What is inside? So first, this is the, what is this here? Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to unpack the one that I bought recently from Paris PC World, the DJI Osmo Gimbal Mobile 8P that I bought recently from Paris PC World. So let's unpack this one. I love DJI product, guys. So here it is. Wow, look at, wow, it's DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. So device only, so everything is here. So remote control selfies, so it's showing here, yeah, like that. Can you see it properly, guys? Yeah, so direct phone connection for native tracking. So let's open it. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first gimbal from DJI. I don't have any gimbal before. I use only the normal selfie stick. So this is my first investment for this product. So here, where's the open? I don't know how to open. Oh my god, how to open this one? Oops. Selfie stick before. Let's open here. So there's a silica gel, do not eat. Says here do not eat. So I show you. Okay, wow, I'm so excited. What is inside? So first, this is the, what is this here? So this is the, I think this is the cable. Yeah, this is the cable. You have two, just one, two each. So this separate this one in here, and this one they have the, okay, oops. Okay, so this one is no more, it's here, it's empty. So what's this one? This is the, okay, no, it's empty, guys. So this one, DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. So this is the safety guidelines. So let's open it. Let's open. So it's okay, DJI store app, a must-have app for DJI users. So okay, I need to have a virtual flight. So it says a repair service, manage devices. So it says here. So everything is here, the instruction. DJI menu, smile 8P, DJI Osmo Mobile 8P safety guidelines. So it's there. So now it's here, guys. Can you see it properly? My camera is not cooperating. So it comes with a packet. Wow, what a lovely packet. It's small. You can take this one anywhere, and it's not heavy. Look at the packet, guys. So there's a logo here. Oh, there's a name Osmo. So let's open. Wow. Wow. So nice packet. It's like a waterproof. You can bring this one anywhere. Oh wow. I'm thinking it's big, but it's not heavy, guys. Look at this, a sticker here. And then I don't know how to use this one. Okay. So yes, this is my, so the phone camera direction. It has the here. Let's do it here. Wow. Yeah, you can take off this one. You can, yeah, take up this one, and it looks like this, guys. Look at, it's nice. You can use this one in your iPhone, Android phone, or any kind of phone you have. And it has everything is here. There's a charging port, and this one you can remove it. Tomorrow I will show you. I will take another video to show you how to do it. I will put this one in my phone. Check the stabilization. So wow, I'm so excited to use this one. It's my first time. Look at, guys. Can you see it properly? Wow. And it has here, and it has the okay, here there has a, can push this one here like that. Okay, and then like that. Wow. And it's not heavy, guys. It's not really heavy. Look and see. It's strong. It's strong, this one. Yeah, then this one you can remove it like that. Like that. Yeah, this is the instruction in here. Rotate clockwise to unlock. Rotate clockwise to unlock. On. Unfold to turn on. Unfold to turn on. Okay, wow. Wow, so there's an instruction in here. I will show you for my next video next time. So can you see this one? You can remove this one. This is mobile 8P, but for the mobile 8, this is more what is called more better than mobile 8, I think. But it's better. DJI product is better, but it comes with this one is removable. Only the one thing, this one for the mobile 8P, this one is removable, and you can track anything. And I'm thinking it's heavy, but it's lightweight. So it says here, this is in the box is more DJI 8P, frame tape, storage pouch, magnetic phone clamp, phone charging cable. So this is the phone charging cable is included here. For charging power cable, so the power cable and the phone charging cable. So yes, you can charge your phone in here. Wow. And has the power on and off button in here. This is the magnetic clamp in here. So you can see it's like your phone will manage well, will not crack because of this. This is really strong. Like for example, I bought before a selfie stick. I don't know which brand that one. My phone is cracked in the other side, much better because I'm using the phone case. The phone case is cracked in the side. So that's why I think for myself that I need to buy like a very good quality like this one, because you know there's a the secure, your phone will secure in both side. So this is better. Yeah, better quality. I love DJI product, guys. I really love DJI. So all my camera is DJI, my gimbal is DJI. So yeah, I really love my microphone is DJI. So I really love DJI product. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm very happy for this products. And then you can extend this one as a selfie stick. Yeah, you can extend it as a selfie stick. So tomorrow I will do this one to show you how it shows in my phone very well. So thank you. As of now, guys, this is my video only unpacking now. So in my next video, stay tuned on my next video to show you I will do it in my iPhone. Yeah, show you in my iPhone. So wow. And this is there is a tracking, this one. Tracking, yeah, 10-hour battery life and phone charging. So that's it from now, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.